my blessings, oh. I go shake body, Baba double my blessings, oh. Double, 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 you double my blessings, oh. Double, 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 Baba double my blessings.
And even if you want to preach, shout. Not everywhere you go, you supposed to shout. I always tell people, observe. I get one pastor like that. If this guy dey altar they preach, if he never shout, the body know the rest. Only go your side go say, "Daughter!" We dey support this support. We no talk. If I can't leave Phuket, they can't transfer and make go preach for Egypt. If forget say na Egypt of all places dey. He dey do for the earth is of the Lord and the fullness thereof. From today, the Egyptians you see today, as he dey talk as if a man will not be a beard, they shall put cutlass. As pastor said, notice only one change that you shall continue to see them. Even if say Nigeria know the progress, I have to clap for our armed robbers. Please, armed robbers, say clap for yourself. Oh, be proud of your profession. Clap for yourself. When I clap now, don't see now. Now see, the way armed robbers they rob in the 60s. Don't know where they rob now. They have upgraded. I tell you now, when they come from Lagos recently, now they know say our armed robber don't get swag. They just stop us for on the road there. They just stop us with our ball. Stop! We stop. They will ask you your name. If you tell them, they shoot you. As they stop our bus, stop! We stop. They meet the first person for bus. What's your name? He said Tony. Tony? Yes. Twa! They meet the next person for bus. You, what's your name? He said Peter. Peter? Yes. Twa! And I meet the next. He said you. I said pardon Mosa. Come on, kill you. What's your name? I said sir. What's your name? I'm not gonna look me. You don't delay me, Abi. Okay, shift. I will come back and shoot you. Hey, meet the next person. You, madam, what is your name? You must say, hey, my Pekin. My name na Karo. I'm gonna say, Karo. Karo na my mama name. Mama no fit kill you. Stay here, shift. Mama no go kill you. Now meet the next person first. I go, you, what is your name? He must say, my name na Chukudi, but my friends they call me Karo. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. That's the time.
All right, Nigeria, hello Benin City, hello wherever you are. It is Seriously Funny with FX. They call me Kel Benki, aka the Chief Whip, and we're here to rock Seriously Funny with FX. And it's after an extra edition, and here we are here to rock it. If you're not here, you are nowhere. Thank you very much.
If you listen to some songs nowadays, you will see now, because before now, American music now they rain past for this country, but now Nigerian music they impress us. But now, they get some things where they text me for Nigerian musicians own. The way they express themselves at times, it's not funny. Now let's take for example now say musician now won't sing about Shabi small picking that day. If you put continue for here. Say musician now won't sing about Nyash. Now look American musician Nicki Minaj, she won't sing about Nyash, just sing Anaconda. You go here, my Anaconda, my Anaconda, finish. Not been here, Shabi. I don't know where this boy from come out from. What they call Dr. Mighty. He just come out from nowhere. I don't give a shot. If you're Ikebe, they shoot catapult. If you're Ikebe, they blow granite. Which can't be that? Now Ikebe get fan. I can want to blow granite. Now you carry granite, squeeze blanc. For what? After that was done, they say Ikebe, they shoot catapult. Who put the stones here? Nah. People just carry stones. What? Like say possible now it can be for kick Goliath, don't be David. And if you notice one thing now, girls they are very comfortable with themselves. And girls nowadays, girls don't spoil. Girls don't spoil. Don't spoil. Listen, not be quarrel. Before, say woman or girl go my house, go sleep overnight, come back the next morning, her friends call the answer and Jessica, how was it? She was like, come on now, come on, I can't tell you, you're embarrassing me, please. Now, say girl, come go my house, sleep, come the next morning, her friends call the answer, oh Jessica, how was it? Don't mind that idiot. After everything, sit. What's this? And girls now they're very comfortable with themselves, very free. You go go see girls, now maybe one room, now like 3 girls they stay. They feel they walk out inside, they do things inside the room naked. They walk out. If you all see them, we just bath. Come up inside the bedroom naked, just walk out, they find clothes. Actually, don't want our roommates, we just cook. Oh my gosh. Ah, Jessica, you're so blessed. Wow, okay. Come on. Je vais pas te dire, wow. Jessica, je vais pas faire the rest. Come. The rest will touch. Jessica. Jessica, you're so blessed. Look at the front, look at that. Consider Mumu Jessica. Are you serious? Like people. Man. How do you know? Man. Maybe me now, I prepare to go club. I can't come out from bedroom naked. One rub cream for my leg. My guy, maybe MC Castro, come enter my room, come see me. Oh boy, Quebec, oh boy, you carry. You don't die now. I kill him. Don't die.
Alright, this is Samba, and it's seriously funny with FS. This thing is seriously funny, that it's so serious that even me, I'm seriously telling you that it's funny. So if you don't watch it, you're seriously not funny, and it's not seriously okay, alright? Take care.
All right. Now, for each and every one of you, I'll tell you today, you like him, you don't like him, are funny, and you must laugh. I know why. Sir, Lancelot. Good evening. I didn't see you since. I know your instinct, they talk to you. I want to help this guy. This guy need help. I don't like the way he's looking. Sir, your instinct not fail you. I need help. I don't say they train dogs, but you know what? I want to be your dog. Yeah. I want to, and I know your dog they eat chicken and rice and everything, right? But that's why I just want to be his dogs. Please leave me alone. I don't want to be dog. See my phone. Now we think comment that I'm supposed to use this. Okay. You understand? Yeah. So Dad, you are just I just adopted you as my father now. Okay? Yes. You as in, okay, now Daddy, just look at your son. Look at me. Now left at me. My dad is late, so I need you. Even if you did alive, I still need you. You don't have any choice. If you don't help me go carry your head, you stay help myself for me. Then when they go school, imagine our parents, they not born you when you tell them say you want to collect money for examination malpractice. It's not done. Even the exam when they write for school, you not go fit or say you want even use ESPO. Now why? Now the school authorities, as in the school administration, now they force students one morning, early in the morning, for hours in next compound of school. Principal just come outside. Good day, students. Good morning, everybody. Listen very carefully. You guys are taking me for a fool. SS3 students. But I will tell you something. Today is Friday and on Monday is WAEC. Most of you have not paid for your ESPO. Out of the class of 80 students, just 3 have paid for ESPO. I pity you. And you expect manna to fall from heaven that very day. I, the principal geography teacher, I will fear you. I have a reason because the principal said I should charge you 60,000 naira. Go to other school, they charge 100,000 for examination and practice. But I said I would pay only 35,000 naira. So am I a fool? Just look at me, do I look like a fool to you? But raise and look at me, children of God. If you don't pay, I will separate the sheep from the goat. The sheep will write their exam in the Abraham's bosom. And you write your paper in air. Then you know say why? You know that 3 times. You know say why not in my mind.
Give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello people, I greet each and every one of you. My name is Onyame Chida Senector, Comedian-in-Chief of Entertainment. You are on to Seriously Funny with FX. If you are not here, my brother, you will lose. It's seriously funny, and if you are not here, please try to be here. Thank you.
No, you start lesbian for here, you kiss woman. What you concern me? Why don't you concern me? Person they kiss you, not go hungry me.
I'll try that thing. But when Bini, now for Bini, he has to say, they talk about Orozco, Ashao, the price for Bini. Bini gets the price. The price total, the price abortion.
Are you kidding me?
One girl just go meet doctor. Doctor, I want pubele, I want to do abortion. Now doctor ask him, how many months? He say 3 months. Now doctor tell him, say 200,000.
You good now?
I say, how much you take to last? That money invest the girl. Wait to invest this girl just 200,000. And the girl say, oh, that's for what now? I'm not going to go. I said, oh, so you know. My mom can't go buy me that party, they drop the plate, but can't go buy me yellow. And me and FX, we bet I like your thing. I'm not gonna bet I like your thing. Last month, you bless everything. When I see FX, now I say, action, I like your thing. The guy not complain. He just up pull the pants, don't give me. But my brothers and sisters, as soon as I start to wear that pants, now I became peace for house. And you know, say those days, if you don't peace for house, you can't notice, say, you don't cause erosion for bed. You can't suffer, stand up for night. You can't pull your pants, keep for back of door. You can't push your elder sister for that place. You know, say they break, they go beat the girl, not do anything. No, why be say, anytime when we go, if they snap you picture where you decide toilet, now then you go know say there's dignity in labor. Why be say anytime we go toilet finish, we clean our this thing, we must check the tissue. What do you define?
You check.
No, I dey check. No, what do you define? You go wipe. You go check hand. You can't fold the tissue. You go rewipe. You go check. Not in our neck. Clap if you want clap. No, now and you know say those days. If you go, I'm not gonna go pit toilet. You know say those days for pit toilet, he get one wood where they keep for them. The wood go there. If mama finish, mama go put nyash for them. Papa go finish, put nyash for the same place. You know, my sister's guest have been from. My sister go read the, mommy and daddy has met this whole place. Oh, what will I now do? They go stylishly put. I say, if you not clean, me fly follow you. And you know, say those days, if you go toilet for bush, it's either you use corn stick or you say yes. Who say yes? On a dinner now. You go see they carry corn stick for back to today, you madam. And who they carry you come, man where they follow you don't know say you get the corn stick they use. They don't know. You know, say if you go toilet for bush, it's either you use corn stick or awolo will leave. You understand? Madam, you use awolo wabi. Madam awolo. Okay, wait, now your wife. Wait, now your husband. Wait, I need to talk now your wife. You know about the awolo. Okay, your wife is a awolo woman. She's okay anyway. One. You know, say it's either you use awolo, if you use either corn stick or awolo will leave. I know that if they clean those days, God can't help you. The leaf can't tear. You know, say your hand go collect something. And you know, say as your hand collect something, you go come throw away the thing. The most annoying part is you see carry that hand near nose, you go do what do we expect, perfume? Oh, but those days are rubbish. And you know, say those days, if you can't go toilet for bush, you know, see cassava leaf, you know, see awolo will leave, you know, say you go first consider for ground. You can't put one hand for back. You can't do. Now remember that left away. No, if nobody clap, let's not clap myself. I know that those days for Benin, if you born Oyibo pikin, you know they see and carry. One guy carry belly for China, I can't come Benin, come born him. As he born, the pikin finish. You know. Now, every people they help and they carry him, they throw the pikin up. As they throw up, the grandmother of the pikin can't come, and a China pikin. Now I can't come. Oh, man. Well, I go through that pikin up. You know, so that China product, you know, the last two. And I say, madam, the pikin na phone. If you want your products to sell and your goods to flourish, not give typical Benin man your product, make you advertise.
Why?
Advert for Benin, and so shout that they shout.
And they tell you.
They don't advertise so they can't advertise much worry. Yeah. See as the advert they be for Benin. You go for here, see mortuary, see dead body, see mortuary, see dead body. Country people, last lot mortuary and casket shop. Don't open for other be saying, if you book 1 week of a mortuary, we go give you 10 years mortuary accommodation fee. 10 years mortuary accommodation free, oh, you're the body people like that covenantly for mortuary factory fitted entity without NEPA failure. Without NEPA failure, oh, these are procedures small bonuses, like a coffee and casket, undertakers and ambulance. Hey, Mr. My brother, what do you wait for? What do you wait for? You see the camera right here, so they're going to humble you. Thank you very much, Enyame Chida
and praise for making it possible for me to see another day. When we come to give Jah thanks and praise for taking them plans full of evil out of my way. Me come to give Jah thanks and praise for
Okay, my name is Moody. I'm the CEO of Squarehead Record Entertainment, and this is actually my first time, doing this, and it's, I think it's going to be a great evening. He's my very good friend, and I think it's going to be great. Yeah. Good one.
Okay, let's go to the slide. Let's have some fun. I'm going to show you a lot of things that some of you already know. Let's see how joking is my business, so I don't joke with my business. Wait, some people will come call you, hello Shampi, how are you? Fine, my wedding is coming. What date, madam? 20th of August. Where? And just one small hall, Homeville. How much do you charge, Shampi? Well, I do 500,000. For what? So when I start comedy, again, one woman when call me one time. When the woman call me, say, FX, how much will you charge? Those days don't take traditional wedding. I can say, madam, 100,000. She say, yeah, Larry. She carry me go outside. I say, see that cow? That cow wait day, now 80,000 will buy her. Now we want to feed everybody for the marriage. If we kill you, you go full one business. What to go for only 20 minutes? I want 100,000 when. Now I say, madam, which day be the dating? You say on the 20th. I say, I dey booked. People just some go say, for what? Just to talk for 1 minute. My son will do it. He's very funny. Osas, you will anchor your sister's wedding. I say, let her do one. Madam, to talk, no hard. Now to know what to talk, my hard. I better put the next one. People when they ask like question. Oga Kola, this new pope na Catholic. No, na Sele. Say yeah, no wonder. In the wear white. Yeah, somebody go just enter room. And first you don't wake. No, I don't die. They say Mama Erika, the food done. Don't say no, the food they swim. Stupid question. Who get pikin na mouth? So na don't born. I say Chidinma, what be this? Saying that they pray. So you get the leg. I better put the next one. I don't do political jokes, but a lot of pastors did novena, did different things. Can you imagine believers prayer ministry? I don't know where this church did. For Jonathan's sake, I can't end like this. Jonathan really end this year for position. Plenty people just use Jonathan's face to different things. Put the next one. The only woman who knows where her husband is a widow. God forbid. My wife know where I did right now. My wife know where I did right about now. The next picture. Naija babe will be inside Chisco bus from Lagos to Asaba and be tweeting, wow, Shelt, Jesus, this hair hostess is very rude. All of you will do it. And with the cartoon now, where you all, let me speak the English that people will speak. You all does it. It's fun. See the woman, it's fun. It's fun. All this kind of with the cartoon. Next one. Good. Keep it. When I got married, now only one should be, I said 5,000. Now I tell my wife, I said, please, I don't even want to say. My wife said no. I said, okay, how much? She said 5,000. We just sell on 5. Not dear, it's not cheap. Everybody buy. Some people go do wedding. Only Ashwebi now 100 by 100 for Amaba. Only Ashwebi now 2 million. Wait. So if I buy your Ashwebi, call the cash me for night. I go call hug your wife for night, Abi. Ashwebi, see, with marriages lasting less than 1 year these days, anybody that brings Ashwebi must sign. If you divorce, you refund my money. That's true. Just refund the money. Because pastors don't tire. Say, Sister Ipo got married last week. They say, yes, we are here for divorce. Last week? I bet next picture. When you give your babe. This now, what's babe? Hello, babe.
Before anybody else.
Before?
Anybody else.
Babe. Hey, babe, can I get ice cream? No. Before you give your babe money for Brazilian hair, she come back face shuku. The kind eye where you take look and the shuku go come out. Next picture. Good. I love this. I've been a victim of this twice. When a lady is pregnant, off the camera, and her stomach, everybody will touch it. Oh, I say off camera when you're. Everybody will touch the stomach. Oh, congrats, madam, congrats. But none of them will come and touch him and say, well done. Moral lesson. Hard work is never appreciated. No, my wife give herself belly. So nobody can just come and meet me like my wife best friends will not just go, oh, FX, very good work. I will spread. I say, come on. I say, baby, they want to just appreciate the work. See the way they ask me, are you sure? My wife, acid bath. Instagram, not a photo bomber. I've been a photo or something. Hey baby, what are you up to? This one, most girls, you people are very fond of this thing. Una go they lie. The boy asking girlfriend, hey baby, what are you up to? The girl said, nothing much, babe. I'm really tired, so I'm about to go to sleep now. How about you? Now the boy say, I'm in the club, standing behind you. Two people will be lying. Just say the truth. Say the truth. Somebody go there inside bus. Go say, baby, where are you? Go say, I'm just about to board the plane. The boy will come say, don't worry, I've paid your transport fare already. I'm inside the bus with you. God is good motors. And boys know they lie. Boys will not they really lie. No, the only lie where would they lie? Most times where would they lie? Not just now, not be lion. Una be lion, Linus, Umba. Very, very lies. Oh, they can lie. Yes, everything about them are lie. According to my friend, if woman don't they old for her to old, they go back local. Very lies. They say, yeah, or yeah, go say, They say, yeah, your rapper, the father says, yeah, in a swagger, no. Women, I'm going to put the next one. Thank God no Valentine this year. Okay, I don't talk about this one. Put the next one. How many of you remember this ice cream? I grew up those days when we used to lick this ice cream. If you didn't know about this ice cream, you are 2000 and something. Yeah, 1990, 92. I'm telling you, those days we go put milk, one big bucket, they'll put only one big milk. Tayam, this ice cream was going for like 50 kobo.
You go see blow.
Well, how much? $5. 10 kobo, 5 kobo. Very nice. Aunsa granite, aya, you get one thing, 5 alive, long life. Tobe coconut candy, kuli. Would they use kuli drink that time, sir? Don't qua. Nothing will not the chop. I get the jello for can see bone inside. End of fish. Sweet that. Those days when they use fish, they chop off. Nothing will not chop. Ekusu. But now look at us, innit? Look at me, innit? Look us. Now with the drink Gary. They use Indomie drink Gary. Yo. Put the next one, innit? Good! You go greet girl for house. As her boyfriend they come, maybe she the friend Tony Kabaka. your motor go come spoil. The girl go help you push. If not, you go just park the motor. God punish you, make your boyfriend know the motor. I got motor now. If the boyfriend don't they suspect say you they take in girlfriend, you won't finish. But you must push motor. Next. African parents. Ajia, I know you are guilty of this. African parents will send their children any rubbish work as soon as they see you pressing your phone. My mama go say, FX, go and wash the compound. I want to wash the compound. You know, you people know your mama go just go say, you are pressing phone, Abi. You are pressing phone at your age, 22. You are pressing phone. Your mates are getting married. Be pressing phone. Phone presser. My friend, go and wash your daddy's something. You come they say, press my daddy something. Hey, go and wash your daddy's name. I bet next. Even me not feel read this one. Wait. On Christmas and Saturday, we will take you guys out. On New Year Day, we will take you out. On your birthday, we will take you out. On our birthday, we will take you out. On Fast Day, he will take you out. All of the days, even your landlord's birthday, we will take you out. Now the boy asks again, what's your role in this relationship? Now one girl quickly asks, our own is to follow you out. The thing shocked me. Abi, hey, let's go. Baby, who died? Say, I don't know. I say, yeah, maybe we go out. Oh yeah, next one. Paul, my guy. This is when I always respect Paul. Once I'm drunk and I enter the party and I see Paul as a tribal mark. They get one thing where Paul, they always call me Allah something. Next time, I don't work for free. I don't talk attire. I don't work for free. They cannot be free Italia and Erica till they pay school fees. Not true. Good. I dey go check now. Anytime I won't fly plane from anywhere to anywhere, I must go look the co-pilot and the pilot first. I must tell the main pilot, I bet tire anytime you want go peace. I no feel wahala. May the souls of those people rest in peace. You can imagine. This man from India is 179 years old. He says death has forgotten him. As we celebrate today, ladies and gentlemen, may death not come near us and our families in Jesus' name. Next. Say Buhari. Say Buhari. Wait, you know, say after the day when they announced results, after Orubebe don't fool himself and all that, the next Sunday, I went to church. My best song in church, somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Baba. If you see church scatter, somebody say Baba, Baba. Say Buhari. Next one. They don't change that. No. I wish say phone day that time. Now so Moses and the people of Israel where they share something into two. Next. Everything I guess they do selfie. Everything. I told you to. I will slap you that you wait selfie. Next. This man, him they always go feed these pigeons. He not go that day. Now they concrete up. Next. Oh, next. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the president-elect, Federal Republic of Nigeria, GMB. Police who say, don't worry, Oga, we are at the hands of our fair in that your team. See, Oga. No, go come out here, come out here. No. Oga, I couldn't help it. Voting in progress. Okay, stop. Police.
Yeah, what's up, Benin City? What's up, Nigeria? What's up, Edo State? It's your boy. My name is MC Casino, but they call me the comedy machine. We're here seriously with Seriously Funny with Hefes. Trust me, I'm gonna blow your mind because this one is after election edition. Don't go anywhere. It show the rock. It's tough.
And you got this play with the play those read those. Now read those. All those. All the days read those. The first just come. I'm an object. The more you slice me, the more you cry. What am I? Because the onions. Say, oh, they call the onions in the shed says, am I asking near Barak? That one year boy just come ask, Casino, I'm an object. I say,
I ran into the army barrack. I say, eh? I slapped the wife of the commandant. I say, eh? I beat up his children. What am I now? Say, my brother, you beat that body. Object. Now, whether you like it or not, the moment you want to try impress person for life, you don't die. When I dey grow, my babe, she dey here, she say, yeah, baby, you are developing pot belly. It's not my business. Say, man, go dey carry weight. My sister, now who go get most, who go get to? Hey, sorry. 6 months, most will not come out. For me to grab most of my ear, come dey grab. I just stop. But come to think of it, you know, say 80% of people now poor people. Think and now just reason way to Goodluck Jonathan go wake up for money like or Buhari. No, it doesn't make sense. You just want once you get 6 bags. In Yanya I carry 6 bags for head. He go get hernia one day. Everything about Inyanya is show body. Congrats! Because the Inyanya just know say people like his body. Before he sing, it's hot Friday, should I remove my shirt? Wait till we send you. The guy now they remove his shirt, they snap picture for Instagram with another body. I go Lagos last week, I shocked. On Sunday morning, Inyanya they go church, you know their shirt. I'm shocked. Body. And because of all the and on our guests, they make the display body. Musician go confuse you now. Now because of saying yeah, get confident for a body, come make and sing song. Shawty not come for the money, yo. She come for the body. Your body na ATM. No. Come to think about ladies way to now body when I want one and money more just know. Let more confirm. Nice tattoo. Oh sorry, na stretch mark. Now 2 guys won't marry you. 2 of them love you. One of them gets side beards, get broad shoulders, is fair, he gets 6 packs, even get for head. And his salary now 6,000 naira a month. The other one, he get big belly like Rick Ross. He dey snore. And his salary now $6 million a month. Auntie, I beg you go marry. 6 million. $6 million. $6 million. Why am I go marry you with $6 million? What do you want to give her? That's why they follow sugar daddy. But seriously, if I be girl, no apology, they date sugar daddy. Yeah, and she say yes. After your husband not there as now. No apology. I don't get problem. But I just say people don't really miss it. I preach sugar daddy. They don't abuse the word. No man, when you're 20 a girl, you're dating a man of 45, 50. Fine! You are dating a sugar daddy. When you are 20, 22, you are dating a man of 65, 68. Hey! It's not your sugar daddy. You are dating your grandpapa. Then when you are 20, 22, you call it the Buhari age. 70, 71. No! You are dating a major. When I come back, so I'll remember the next show. Oh my friends, this show people don't they come home. And now they use support again. Thank that is where they support us too. If I know what good say we come perform here, make people laugh when they go as a squeeze. Comedians they plan with you. One day you do this for no of us go come. So I quit the sales now. We know some people pay. We are not pay. Pay us now. This guy they go free. I don't want to do free again. The free DJ. That was my best of no good. You're the guy
free job now. Free job. Hello, FS, where's that your DJ that does free work? In fact, we don't change the name from DJ FS to DJ Freedom. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before I drop this microphone, my name is MC Casino. I'm not doing this joke. Why? Because people, when we go Lagos, all those Sheila, they use Yoruba, they crack joke. We even go London. They say they speak Yoruba. We want to be with the shy. Why? It don't make sense. And men, they be supposed to praise. We not agree praise. We go they praise down go to. No, they try. Not be say they're staging. Must you the beg? Extension. You don't go. Who you help? Extension. You do show that you give me 10,000. I got my pay almost 100 million. My hair. That's what I get coming for the now. My name is MC Casino.
Okay, hello ladies and gentlemen, this is TG Banks, aka Comedy Van Dam, aka Who Does That? And I'm here live at Seriously Funny with Ifes at Kada Plaza. It's one of the biggest events ever in Benin, and it's getting bigger and bigger every month. And if you are not here, you know where. Seriously Funny with Ifes, the biggest show in Benin. Thank you.
As I'm here, I'm thinking the car I'm going to be driving when I'm 65. The car won't drive. Nobody this one because the pop also champagne for club. Pop 2 years later, they whisper for club. When I get water. Bring four water. Small shot of alcohol for inside the water. But when you newly collect, you'll see a DJ Malek and I teach me this lesson. You know when they say Maliki 22 million 911, but no worry, Dr. Sid Waki Maliki. Pop, I do cash up here. They told me for the beggar with cocoa, but what is it for you? If you ever go check your balance, now I realize if they all start, maybe this one a club, this side a toilet, and pop, you go like this. But they come on Malek. Comedian and artist, you are in Benin, you they make money, my dear. You get struggle. I beg, another mic, babe. I beg, give FS, I beg. FS, you come tell me, say, you know, my daughter's wedding. No, man, don't say my daughter. My wedding is coming up, and I am planning to use champagne. Just talk.
Okay, my daughter's wedding is coming up again soon.
When?
It's coming up by June 7th.
Wow! Hey, so you have everything all planned out?
Yes.
What about your MC?
I don't have an MC yet, but I think I want to use champagne.
Don't worry, I'll talk to you. Collect 10,000.
How do you want to make money? They pay me, no be there go end. You go say, don't just wait, let me call it. Wait. You go put up a speaker, man. Let the person who want you shopping know say it no shopping. You go say, go put a speaker. Hello. Shopping, idiot. Actually, what? Sorry, I made mistake. Wait. Actually, what I'm calling is that my friend is getting married, and I told my friend I want to bring MC. So how much will you collect from me as your personal person? I'll come say, well, since you're the one paying, I could do 150. But trust me, if you're not the one paying, can you please give my number to the person getting married? Don't worry, it's me that's paying. You go say okay, so I'll do 150. Now wow, that's too much. That's on the high side. What about 50? I'll come say no. I just told you 150 because you are my. Okay. No happen. Let me call my friends. Then I'll get back to you. If now you are operating, they call your friend from. Nobody to tell me say, oh yeah, send your account number. They go dey kick career. Those same people, we're gonna say.
FX, you're my friend. Do this for me. Why you be my guy? Come on. See, I been enough. You could be small money. Those same people, they'll come they drive with gear for motor. You will come they drag. They'll come see you. You go say, yeah, they'll go say, because it's that FX. Say yes. Where is this tracking? I don't know. Maybe he has bad head. If you want just catch the naked, no need to for you to go there. Stress yourself. Simple. Very simple. Meet the girl. Make sure, before you meet the girl, make sure say you hold car key. Any key. So far key hold that day. Then make sure say you don't get small voice, you get big voice. Then before you approach the girl, make sure say you go find chair. Sit down. Make the chair squeeze your shirt. You go bless in a car seat. Squeeze them. As you meet her, she will say, where are you going to? I could drop you off. Where are you parked? Over there. Over there, no be destination. Alright, let's go. From Kada, now they check Michelin Road. Over there.
Yeah. We are here live at Seriously Funny with FX. My name is David, aka The Endowed. I just wanted you guys to join us. This is Seriously Funny with FX at Kada Plaza every last Friday of the month. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Who tell you make stop? Somebody not reach your phone as your butter phone and once. One thing when I like about ladies, not be the way they tell they talk. Now they tell they sing. I don't dey church for Lagos, they call one girl. Sister Tracy, make she call lead us for worship. Oh my God. Stand on your feet. We stood up. Say now leave your head for worship. Lift it high. We call raise her up. I will just not be this guy wireless man. All those who call those mic where they get wire. No say girls they like. She call the caress. They download the wire. Because they sing, oh glory, glory, glory to the Lord. Lift it high. Some people don't stand for shit. Oh, glory, glory, glory to you. Now I saw where they the wire where rat don't shop naked. She don't know she they caress her. Oh, glory, higher. Glory, glory to you. What do we hear? I don't touch you. What do you hear? She did that. So Billy women don't lose their rapper, they roll for ground. More than 15 minutes, she did that. Some people say this is what we call voice. See the way she did throw. 1 hour she did that. Not until some white smoke called the call for our reform. And I hear one shall say, hold on, it's like barbecue smelling this arena. No say na that person did. There is hello. I don't know. Guess why be so now just say club. We never dance. When I call the interviewers like so now won't give us work. And guys, listen to me. If you did club, where you did they sip your small champagne, DJ you play any hot song. What is that? DJ bling bling. See the way you pop bling bling for full neck. Yeah, I don't say if ready for DJ you they put this necklace so because now hang on you wear a light it don't Rajo Kado play the song play the show for me. Yeah. When I must say television not the work out with necklace if ready for now ready ginger. Because where they sell out for cocoa buy one get it free. Now that television they go say Baba but I saw that the new one be this one shy well. Although now let 3 days in the shy. Buy one would dash you it. They sip your champagne. All of a sudden the one girl just stand up as I stand so. Go do as I do, run for your life. For the whole club, she not see anybody point. Now where you did, she can't go point only you like this. DJ, let's go. Small time, you enjoy the people. You know, say girls, they like to down like this. Now, what you do? When you open up, she don't see anybody now. You, she come come like this. Before waka, he don't get yesterday now point you. Now come waka come to like this. Run for your life, DJ Killer. Drop us and run for your destiny. And then with the idiot, you see get pointing like a banjo, you see the they tell your brother, this guy is tripping for me. How are you? And they play the same song, go. We all know they dance like the same song, go the plan, they go, we all know they dance. The girl go call them. I guess, I don't know, why do you say una never hope, una never dance? The girl go call all those poor, they go come. But what they do? See the mumuma. Maybe what you play for her, everything, miss everything with spirit. Bring it for her. You got the order. I bet this is killer. Bet if you can't go do mistake because a person package. Like, yeah, you did. You come surprise. Say 30 minutes. You don't do what you say. You know the answer. What you be careful. Now the girl go call her. Baby, please, I'm thirsty. See, Casino. What do you care for? Oh my God. We get all they do run for your life. No say now your full account she dey calculate to what? I need Moet. Now that I know say second that there is a run leave person for club. Moet. I'm coming, baby. Now you say, oh, where are you going? You say, don't worry, your father. And when I never dance, now put the hands in man. What's your name? Oh, big man. Oh, my name is Chief Thompson. Oh my God, Thompson, you're a chief. Serious. What do you do for a living? I have my own. Oh my God, give it to me, baby. You don't know the car oil, whether na crude oil or na no palm oil. Oh my God. Like me at the line, maybe the person, what do you do for a living? Say, you know, I just graduated from Awolowo University, you know, and I'm a youth corps person. See the girl, idiot, youth corps, they hear the dance shocking, not go find work. This time, the girl go run, leave you. Then me at the line, what don't catch me, what they for soon, they dance me. I said, me, Risaple Piki, I could say, what's your name? I said, my name is Young Chief. So me go there, Young Chief. I said yes. So you are the youngest chief I've ever seen. See the way pastor they shout, you must call your PVC. It's your fundamental human. You see why you go the shout for PVC and church? Collect it, go get it. Now go and Shegule, we have for to register the first one. Here we did. You know, say the line they like this, the queue. So we did like. So here we did. My church member, Osakolo Bini boy just ball out on Oye. That's all those ones where we say, you know, say so they get their own movement. They can't one step forward, 3 steps backward. Or composition, I want that shocking. As he go and say he want collect the PVC. I say it's your right, come to. I come put her for my front. It's done. We did back. So I see waka we go fit say we follow her. Small time all of us begin come back. When we follow you. People go they say suffering now. He say not be one place like this. Oh boy. Bob be fool. The Maleke they causing me say that 2 days after escaping better. So as we got about finally he got reach his tongue. Now you know say when you reach there you put your tongue. The thing go pass the machine before I go call show for computer. So in there. If the thing wants to go remove her. People go they say we don't do that 2 hours. We got to go red passers, Coco, Hola. He did that. See where all those people get power. All the full passers begin to do like this, Hola. Finally, here comes you. He got top three. Now he wants snap picture. Now laptop now. You go just the your core position. Your composition. Now, Carter, raise your head up. So, what is my guy? They can't turn laptop to video camera. They can't carry laptop before like this. The person where they snap, I don't snap 52 times. Now, where you are, they snap. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you, people. Thank you.
Well, we come to give Jah thanks and praise for making it possible for me to see another day. Well, we come to give Jah thanks and praise for taking them plans full of evil out of my way. Me come to give Jah thanks and praise